Today I'm going to give you a quick guide on how to update your BMW CIC Navigation map to the latest one. Type in the link that is shown on the screen and you get to this page. Download the 1B zip and BMW CIC FSC generator. And download your maps as well. It's under the BMW Max torrent. Double click it and choose the map that is for your car. For my car will be the Southeast Asia Premium. So now unpack the 1B zip file and copy the two files to your root of your USB stick. So on USB stick you have two files which looks like this. Now plug in the USB stick to your car glove box USB port. You don't have to start the car, just plug in your keys and just wait for 30 seconds. Plug the USB stick back to your computer and you will see the FSC at 1b.hex. If it doesn't work, try with another USB stick. Now launch the BMW CIC FSC generator on your computer. Click browse, go to your thumb drive, select 1B hex, select the map type for region. From me is premium and select your region. For me, I'm all the way in Southeast Asia and select the map. So I'm going to choose the latest one, the 2021. I click lifetime and click generate. So this will be your FSC code. Copy it down or use your camera phone to take a snapshot. Now unpack your downloaded navigation map. Copy it directly to the root of your USB stick. So it should look like this. Now remove the USB stick from your computer and let's go to the car and plug in the USB stick in the glove box USB port. Now after plugging, make sure you start your car and wait for about 1 minute and you will see a message on the nav screen. It will show you upgrade or cancel. Now click on the upgrade and you'll be prompted by the activation code. Now key in your activation code like what I'm doing on the screen and the process will start to begin. It will take a couple of minutes, approximately 5 to 10 minutes depending on the size of the navigation software. To check the navigation software which you updated, click navigation. Under your iDrive control, click options and scroll down to navigation system version. Now congratulations, so you guys have upgraded your CIC navigation map to the latest version. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.